If this were, let's make a statement again, I can easily accept money and gifts.
I can easily accept money and gifts.
I go a little weak on that, okay? So if that's weak, then what we do is the next question is to find out whether or not there's access to change this program, the program being the affirmation. Say access is available to change this program.
Access is available to change this program.
Oh, all right. If the access is available, that means your conscious mind can change it. In other words, your conscious mind has access to get in there and change that affirmation or that particular program. If it, just relax, if it does not have access, there's a whole other procedure which I'll go into in future lessons about how to get access. But for right now, let's just assume we do have access. The next statement would be, I allow Brigitte access to change this program.
I allow Brigitte access to change this program.
Oh? So she's strong on that too. So if access is available, first of all, we find out whether or not access is even available. Sometimes it's not even available. And then we find out whether our conscious mind, our adult mind, has access to get in there and change that. This can be done also, by the way, with children. When I say adult mind, I assume who I'm speaking to is adults, but also it works with kids as well. If access is available to change it, the next thing is to close the eyes, go back to the very first time you remember. If the statement is, I can't accept money and gifts, go back to the very first time, Brigitte, you remember not being able to accept money and gifts for whatever reason. It may not be the first time, but the first time you remember.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Okay. And then she'll have some situation come up where it would be, well, in fact, you did have a situation. What was that? You want to tell the story on that, or what happened, real briefly?
I was 5 years old, and I went to the shop to buy something little. Not far away from home. It was 4 minutes walking. And there was a mother with another kid, and the kids wanted my toy. And I said, well, you can have my toy, but it will cost you 5 German marks. Mm-hmm. And her mother was so disgusted about me wanting money for the gift, and she went home to my mother and said how impossible I am to ask for money. And my mother agreed. So I felt really, really guilty to even ask for money. Mm-hmm. So that was locked in. Mm-hmm. I would not ask for money. I would not take money. I thought it's bad and evil. And
very good. So whatever your story is about money, a lot of times it'll get locked into place. We're just using this as an example, by the way. There's so many different things that come up for us. Money is one of the big issues that people are faced with. So it comes up quite a bit. Are you able to accept money? If not, test yourself. If you can't accept money or gifts, check to see whether access is available to change this program. Or find out if your conscious mind has access, and if that is, then go back to the very first time that you remember having this experience. Walk yourself through it. And the technique I used to reinforce that affirmation is have your adult self go back to that incident that just happened and see yourself at that place where the child is having difficulty accepting. And then turn around and talk to the adults that are responsible for that programming and tell them off. Tell them exactly what they need to hear, what you need to hear. And also have the child be able to tell them what the child thinks about this. Very important. The one who made the decision can change the decision. So if your child made that decision that accepting money is bad, the child must make a new decision. So whoever that is that made the decision can also change it, if access is available. And again, we'll go into a process where we'll find out how to change if access is not available. But for right now, you can change a lot of things in your life just by doing this simple exercise. We take a few minutes, feel that change in our bodies, come out, count ourselves out, which basically is take a deep breath and then open your eyes. So then we retest the body, say, I can accept money and gifts easily.
I can accept money and gifts easily.
Hold. And she's strong. There was a time when she was not strong on that, which means that the statement was false. Right now it's true.
Yep.
So do you feel like that has changed in your life, that you're able to accept things
Very
now?
much.
I can vouch for that. She loves it when I give her things, and thank you for being part of this session today, and thank you, and I look forward to our next class.